Hello to everyone. I am going to explain about creating gravity in space. Actually, what is force? Force is just a push or pull. And what is meant by gravitational force? It's pull towards the earth. That is called as gravitational force. Now, can you imagine that is it possible to create gravity in space? Yes, of course. We can create gravity in space by using centrifugal force. What is centrifugal force? It is pulled away from the center. This is the International Space Station, and here we attach a centrifuge, that is with create centrifugal force, that is in the shape of donut. We can say it as rotating cylinder or torus. This is the centrifuge, and we are going to attach it in the International Space Station. When we spin the wheel, it creates gravity which is equal to our Earth gravity. Using centrifugal force, the astronaut can run around or walk around the edges, whereas in the center, vacuum will be created. So that if we are in the Earth, we can have the brain and heart function properly. But whereas in the space, it is not possible since there is no gravity. After creating gravity, astronauts can run or walk around the edges so that brain and heart will function effectively. Therefore, they can go on researching for longer days and achieve something, so that now also we can see Chandrayaan 2 was launched, so that ISRO was been very successful. Like that, we can create many achievements using this centrifugal force, so that gravity will be created. So astronauts will be helpful in that way. According to my senses, what I have calculated, for example, in a brewery shop, one bottle costs 300 rupees, means 50 customers come to that shop. In one shop, it costs 15,000. Whereas for 20 shops, that is Pondicherry is famous for that, but even though I have averagely taken 20 shops, then it costs 3 lakhs. Whereas for 1 year, it costs 109 million. But to create this centrifuge, it costs only 30 to 40 million. We are wasting amount in a lot for nonsense things. But if we make it useful for these, we can create many centrifuges. It will be useful to our nation, and we can make Abdul Kalam's dream to become true. Thank you.